Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorials of our TIA portal. So, in this video, we are going to discuss in detail about our comparator, means comparison commands, which compares one value to another. So let's see. First of all, you will see my project is open. Now I am going to show you a equal to command. And our output, I need a Q0.0 as an output. I'm going to use, and I'm going to use MD0 as tag 1 and MD4 as tag 2. So now I'm going to, first of all, I need a compilation, and I'm going to save it, and I'm going to show it. You will see our PLC is now running on, because both tags have 0 and 0 value. That's why our output is on. So I'm just going to change my operand value. I'm going to modify operand, and I'm going to change it to 0.2. Let's see. So you will see our output is now closed. Now I'm just going offline, and I'm going to use it without our, I'm just paste it as an integer. Now I'm pasted 0 there and also 2 there. Now I'm going to compile it and then again download it. So you will see if it is working or not. So I'm just going to online. So you will see our output is not an agile. Now I'm going to select that to 2. But I need another compilation, so I need a modify operands. So you will see both are 2. So that's why our output is on. Now I'm just showing you that all things with tags. So I'm going to select another one, and it is our not equal to command. Means I'm just going to select an MD0 there and MD4 there. So I'm just going to compile it, download it to my PLC, and I am just going online. So you will see because both values have not equal to 0. That's why it is showing that our output is open. Now I'm just copy and paste it to 0, so you will see that our output is off. Now I'm just going again offline. I'm going to use greater than equal to command. So upper value is greater than lower value and equal to. Now I'm just compile it, again download it and going online. So you will see both have equal to, but when I'm going to modify it, so you will see 2. Now it is on because it is greater than and equal to. First it is equal to, then now I'm going to show that upper value is greater than the lower value. Now I'm just going to change our lower value and make it 3. Let's see 3. You will see the lower value is greater than, and the second one is and the first upper tag is lower than lower. So that's why it's not going to on. Now I'm just going offline and use my second command, and it is less than. So I'm just directly copy that there and copy that tag to there, and I am going to delete it. I am going to compile it, download it. Now see, you will see, because it's checked that the less than upper value is less than a down value. So the down values are larger and upper values less than or equal to. Now I'm going to name it as a 3. You will see because it is equal to, that's why it is always open. Now I'm just make it larger. So you will see 24. Now you will see it will go offline and the output is not energized. I'm going to, you will see how that command going to work. Now I'm just delete that and use greater than, both have MD0 and MD4. The upper value is greater than the lower value. So that is our command. Now I'm just going online. So you will see the upper value is greater than lower value. That's why it's energized. Now I'm just change it to 3. So you will see both have equal but not greater than. So that's why our output is not energized. I'm just going again offline and use our less than. And I'm just copy that there and also copy that one there. Paste it. To delete it, compile it, download it into my PLC. I'm going online. So you will see both are equal, but output is not energized because it is less than. Now I'm going to change it to 2. So you will see upper value is less than lower value. I'm going to modify it to 4. So you will see it will now output will not energize. So that is our less than commands used in our output. Now I'm going to select in range, so you will know how in range use. So first of all I'm going to delete that. Use that one there and 5 there. Now I'm going to run D0. You will see in real. Now I'm going to compile it and download into my PLC. You will see it will check the range. That's the value is in range. Now I'm going to modify it to 5. So you will see it is also in range. Now I'm just modify it to 0. You will see it will not in range. Even if I am going to modify it to 6, you will see it will now in range. So that's why in range are not going to work. I am going to select an out range. So I'm just selecting MD4 there and just delete another one. I am going to paste it one there and I am going to select it also 5 there and then compiling it and downloading it. So I'm just going online. So you will see it will 3 because it is in range. So our block is out range. If it is going to 0, you will see it will out range. I am going to change it to 6. You will see it will also out range. Now I am just modify and move it to 4. You will see it will in range. It is not out range. That's why our output is not energized. The second one is OK. OK means your tag is working correctly or not. Means I am going to use a multiply command there. I am going to select MD0 there and divided by 1 and MD4 there. So I am just use MD0 there. I am just going to compile it, download it and go online. So it will check that our output multiply is working correctly or not. Just I am going to change it to 1. It will check that it will working or not. 5. It will working. So I am just one offline, and I'm also going to check that not okay. So I'm same MD0 used there. I'm just compiling it, download into my PLC, and I'm environment. You will see not okay will not work because it is okay, because it is multiplying. So that's why our output not is energized and not okay not work. If the value is not okay, means that we can use that value for our alarm signals. So our lecture of comparator is now end. So in this video you will learn that how compares commands and greater than equal to less than equal to in range and out range are going to work in our TIA portal. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and comments if you don't understand anything. And don't forget in the descriptions I give the links of our playlist of Indosoft SCADA, Ignition SCADA. So if you want to learn, watch my videos. And thank you very much again for watch my videos.